Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In today's video, I'll show you what Bet99 is and how to use the Bet99 app. Let's get started. Bet99 is a popular online betting and casino platform. It allows you to bet on a wide range of sports like football, basketball, tennis, and more. This app offers live betting, casino games, and real-time score updates. It is designed to be user-friendly, secure, and fast. Now, first to use it, you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't, or you can also download directly from the official Bet99 website. Install the app and open it to get started. If you're new, tap sign up and fill in your details like name, email, and date of birth, and create your account to email or SMS. Now, once you're in, you can see the different tabs like home, live now, my bet, casino, latino account on the bottom of your page. And to place bet, you need money in your account. So tap on deposit, select a payment method, and enter your amount, and then confirm. Then to place a bet, browse to sports categories on the home screen, scroll it down to find, select a sport and choose a match or event, then tap on the odd for the outcome you want to bet on, enter your stake in the betting slip, review your selection, and then tap on the place bet. To track your bets, go to my bet section right here on the bottom of the page, tap on that, then you can see all the active and settled bets as well as your wins and losses. Some bets also offer cash out options, letting you secure profile profits or reduce losses before the event ends. And that is how you can use the Bet99 app. It is fast, secure, and easy to navigate. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye.